everyone, my name is Sheetal and I make plant related and health related content on my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with my beautiful Spathyphyllum, commonly known as peace lily. If you can see, this baby is blooming for me right now. See the bloom, it's so beautiful. It's really pretty. This bloom. So friends, actually I have already made a video about peace lily, right? How to take care of it, how to make it bloom. But now why I am here with this beauty again is because this one has completely filled the pot. I'll show you the root condition after some time. I'll show you the root ball, how it has become completely root bound. So I thought to uppot it first. Then again I thought I can make 2 plants out of it, and if I want I can gift it to someone. So I thought to propagate it. So I am going to propagate this baby. I'll separate baby plants from mama plant and I'll make more peace lily plants for me. And so I thought let's make a video about it. So here I am. I think I'll have to change my position because it's going to get really messy. So I am thinking of taking it outside. Yeah, before that, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, do give a like, do give a thumbs up. And if you don't like, then you are free to dislike it. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'll be sharing the Instagram ID over here. And I'll be sharing the link of my peace lily care video over here. You can go and check the video there. So let's get started. I have changed my workplace today. I'll show you the exact root condition it is having right now. Okay, so let me grab the container in which I am mixing all the potting mix. Then I will. It's too big. Okay, I'll grab the plant and I'll show you. Wait,
it's over here.
yeah. So if you can see, I have kept it in its nursery pot only. I haven't repotted it. If you can see the root system, there is very less of a soil and so many roots are there. So I am going to separate it and I am going to repot it. If you can see the roots, it's totally root bound. And about its potting mix, I have specified in the video I previously mentioned about peace lily care. So you can check what kind of potting mix I am going to use for my peace lily. It's more of a moisture retaining because these peace lilies, they drink a lot of water, you know. So you have to water it more. So I'm going to add more of a coco peat in the mixture so that it will become a moisture retaining mixture and it will retain moisture for some more days, because summer is coming, so I don't want to water it twice a day. Right now in winters also I'm watering it in like once in 2 days I'm watering it. I'll try to separate the root ball without damaging the plant, and if it is not possible then I am going to put it in water and separate the roots. Let's start. And here she is disturbing me. She wants to come in the video. She was complaining to me today that I don't take her in my videos. She is there only in 2-3 videos. So she wanted to join me today. Though she is not helping me much. What should I do? Should I separate it or not? See, you can see my hands all the time messy in the dirt. Oh, they are pretty much attached tightly. Sorry for the sounds over here. Most of the houses are busy in interior works, so there is a lot of sound going on. Pretty tightly attached.
Okay, carefully.
I broke a leaf.
Give it. I love it. We can propagate this.
No, you can't propagate this plant with leaf. Can you get me scissors?
Yes.
The one gardening one.
Not cutting.
It's in the storeroom. Be careful. It has so many plants attached over here. And this baby is gonna get separated from its mama. Anu, no need. If you can see, I have separated these from the mama plant.
Oh, I love this leaf. Okay. You're covering my
Okay.
face. You're covering my face.
And this is the mama plant. So let's start
Wait,
with the
wait, wait.
repotting. So now I am done separating and I am going to pot it in this planter.
Yes.
Mama plant will go in this one.
It's not. Will not fit. Very.
And we'll think about baby as well. I have another, and after planting it I'm going to water it a lot because it's really thirsty and it's asking for water since yesterday, and I thought I'll make this video today, so I did not water it yesterday. I'm going to water it thoroughly today. It needs water. So I have filled the pot little bit and I'll put mama plant in it. Come baby. I had damaged a few leaves, but that's okay. This one will recover. If you want, you can cut little bit of roots, okay? You feel like you can cut. It's fine if you cut the roots. This will recover again. And this is the perfect time for repotting. So these peace lilies, they bloom only when they get proper sunlight, okay? If you are providing them good sunlight, good amount of sunlight, then they are going to bloom, sure. So here it is, my first plant is ready, mama plant is ready. Back again, actually it was a nursery pot. Right now I have, and I was using this ceramic pot as a cover pot, but right now I have planted it directly in the ceramic pot. Okay, so this one is ready. I'll water it later on. You can see over here again there are two separate plants are there. If you want, you can make, I'll do that. I'll keep this baby. I'll make 3 plants. Okay. In that mama plant also there are many plants. No, it's okay. I'll keep both the plants in same planter. In goes the plant. After watering, I'm going to keep it in proper shade. I will not give it a little bit of sunlight for few days so that it can recover from the shock of separation and, you know, repotting shock. And here she comes again. She's back. Mama, I'm back to trouble you. So I'm done potting both of them. Now I have two plants. I will water them and I'll be back. So friends, here we are. This is the mama plant. Sorry, this is the baby plant. And here is the beautiful mama plant. I have one more variety of this Spathyphyllum. I don't know the names, specific names of these varieties, which called what. So here is the propagation video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, definitely share my video to your friends and family. And thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video with another topic. Till then, bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.